Calculator Live. Today I'm going to show you something that you can use at home. It's kind of a DIY. It's a glue, not just a glue. There are two types of glue. One is for flat surface and another one for rough surface. Okay, this is one of the glue. This is for flat surface. It's coming from Mr. DIY in Malaysia. Mr. DIY is 3 seconds super glue. Okay, it's kind of liquidy, a very liquid type. Sorry. Okay, liquid type. And another one for rough surface, I'm using this without nail. So any rough surface that you don't want to use nail, you can use this type of glue. Okay, how I'm using it, I'll be showing you in the next video. There will be two types. It's separated into two. One is for flat surface and another one for rough surface. Once you have used these two types of glue, you won't use any type of glue anymore at home. This is for basic DIY, not for like very extensive, comprehensive type of DIY, but it's for very basic. If you want to glue things on the wall or on tiles or anything, then these two are like perfect companion for it. Okay, don't forget to watch this video after, and don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. Do give your comments down below. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye. Okay, this is one of the example. We are using this liquid base 3 seconds. What you should do is first you open this one, and do take note that it will somehow be hardened. So every time you want to use, you might need to cut this one. Then you put like a very small quantity somewhere around the places that you want to glue, and basically you just press it for like few seconds and that's it. It will hold. But I'm not going to glue this one because I'm going to use it for later. But the thing is, it's something like that. So you glue it within 3 seconds, it will hold, and it will be quite strong, and you can use it for quite some time. And the best thing about this glue, it will cost you in Malaysia ringgit less than 3 ringgit if I'm not mistaken, maybe like around 2 ringgit or maybe less. So even though it's very cheap, but it's very powerful. Okay, for the other hand, for this one, I'll be showing in another video. This one, because I'm using this to paste my house number at the so-called at my gate. Okay, my gate got rough cements and all that, so I'm using this to paste. Okay, you can watch it at the next video. Okay, let's move along. What can be seen here would be I'm gluing my sign or my house number with the so-called nailless glue. Okay, the white color. Okay, and this is for rough surface. So this is the result of what I did. Okay,